Welcome to our first DIYauto.com video DIY. In this episode, we are restoring the faded trim on our 1988 BMW project car. Being 30 years old, the trim and the dashboard have taken on a lot of damage. Here's how we fixed it. We used a two-part product called Renew Protect. It comes with a black base coat, gloss and satin finishing coats, as well as handy applicators for applying the product to your car. For an even finish, we applied 3 coats of the black base and 2 coats of either the satin or gloss, giving it time to dry between each coat. The product even works on your tires and includes a special applicator. Just be sure to thoroughly wash your tires beforehand.
I said thoroughly!
You can see a big difference in the treated left side and untreated right side of the bumper. Even 2 months later, the trim still looks great and the dash looks 100 times better. Even though it takes a little more work than the stuff you can buy at the auto parts store, Renew Protect is the best trim restoration product we've tried. Check out DIYauto.com, where we have thousands of DIYs and build threads, including our M3 engine swap into the BMW you saw in this video. Thanks for watching.